everyone, welcome to Pi Network's configuration tutorials. Today we're gonna learn how to activate SYSLOG and how to see the logs on the terminal, as well as send logs to a remote SYSLOG server. So let's get started. We have two routers connected together with OSPF running on them, as well as a toolbox appliance, which is basically a Linux machine that has SYSLOG server already installed on. First thing we need to do is use the command terminal monitor in enable mode. Next, we need to enter the global configuration mode and use the command logging monitor and our severity level, which in this case we will be logging all messages, so we will use 7. The severity levels are as follows: 0 for emergencies, indicating that the system is unusable; 1 for alerts, which signifies that immediate action is needed; 2 for critical, denoting critical conditions; 3 for errors, representing error conditions; 4 for warnings, indicating warning conditions; 5 for notices, describing normal but significant conditions; 6 for debug information, providing informational messages; and 7 for debug details, offering debug level messages. And that's it. We commit our configuration and jump to the second router to repeat the same commands. Now let's shut down the interface Ethernet 1 on OcNOS 1. And as you can see on OcNOS 2, we get a log message saying that the OSPF session went down. Now let's send the logs to a remote SYSLOG server. We will use the command logging remote server and the server's IP address and the severity level, specifying the minimum level of messages that will be sent to the SYSLOG server. Also, we will use the command logging level all 7. Now let's jump to the SYSLOG server and validate our configuration. And there you have it. Thank you for watching.